some more in today. Get it more in. A bad joke. Sorry. I'm gonna open this one. I wonder if this is the one I'm thinking of. Damn, they paid $1.25 for the shipping. The shipping was free for me. The heck? They put it in a little piece of notebook paper. It is. Let me see. Where did my magnifying glass thing go? Really? Yeah, I tried to offer an offer for the Spinosaurus coin because it was $2.75. So I offered like $2.50 because it was like best offer. Um, so I offered like I no actually I think I offered I think it was like $2.70 I think it was, and he countered 2.75. So I was like fuck it. There it is. No mint mark. 1966 dime. This is now the oldest dime I have. Wow. Yeah, from what I heard, coins from 1966 are hard to find even in circulated form. So when I found this one, I bid on it and I won. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's so cool on how they packed this. He he put on the cover. I think it says, "Oh, thank you" for the smiley face. Oh, that was nice of him. Uh, I'm gonna open this one because yeah, sorry. You can't see it anyways because it's far, far away. Is this my 66? He taped it up like a little small envelope thing. That's so cute. Yes, guess men can find things cute too, you know, like kittens, cats. Uh, Kittens are so adorable. When I had kittens a while ago, they were small, and whenever you would pick them up, they would hiss at you like, you're like, damn, calm down. I still have a lot more of other coins coming in. A couple of the packages were untracked. Yeah, they were untracked, so I can't track them, which is not a good thing. Here it is. Okay. This is my 1966 quarter. So now I have two 1966 quarters. I think I ordered one because of how shiny and beautiful looking it was, even though it was circulated. And this is more shinier and beautiful than the other one I have. So yeah, that's pretty fucking cool right there. Wait, this one has two in here. What the hell? Oh yeah. I have other coins coming in, but I'm keeping them a surprise because I don't want to give it away. Damn. Then I put it in like a box thing. Okay. Thank you from Blammo. Oh, yeah, I think I ordered from Blammo. Thank you, William. Inside bonus Blammo. Huh? He sent me two? I guess so. Ooh. Yep. My 1969 San Francisco and a 1969 Denver. And they look like they're uncirculated. But, you know, it says circulated on the thing. You know, I'm still gonna keep that quarter. I'm not gonna get rid of it. how it looks like a broken a broken you know when a YouTube video is taken down and it has that face with a line on it. I'll take a picture of it and post it later. So yeah, I mean yeah, he's like thank you William. Included bonus Blammo from Blammo. Use code with your next purchase to save an extra 5%. I might do that. Okay. Because I know I ordered a San Francisco 1969 penny from him. This is. That's a. That's 1969 Denver, I believe it is. But yeah, that penny is so fucking beautiful looking. I didn't expect him to throw in a free coin. Well, that was very nice of him. Yeah, and some other seller on eBay, he only allows you to purchase from him every 10 days. I mean, how the hell are you going to have good customer service? Not Bambo, no. This is my 1969 S. I'll be right back. That's an S 1969 S. Denver. So, yeah, it's a 19. It's a 1969 San Francisco and Denver. I ordered a San Francisco from him, and he sent me a Denver 69 for free. I would say a win-win. I would definitely be ordering from Whammo again. Oh yeah. pretty cool. I have that penny, and I have this 19. So yeah, yeah. In God we trust. Liberty, eagle. I like getting eagle quarters. It just brings back a nostalgia moment. It really does. So yeah, let me know if I should order from Whammo again, or Wham, or Woom, or whatever. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe, and I love you guys. Thank you very much. And I'll be trying to post a movie review today. Yeah, love you guys.